3. Okay.
Hi.
Hello, here with Deep Dough Detailer. Doing the Tundra that we told you about. Let's see what he's doing over here. This is on the job.
Yeah, this one was kind of bad. It seemed like I've been getting bad cars lately, but I did it before. I actually done this before, but anyway, this is clear coat. If you look at there, that's clear coat breakdown. It's just, that's how it is when you don't take care of your paint when you first get it.
Mm-hmm.
So that this was looking like that.
So you said if you don't take care of it. So this is something like if they were to get like a Teflon coating, it wouldn't break down
on
like
your
that.
new car. Yeah,
on your new car.
You want to start right at the beginning with it. You don't want to get an older car and do it. Like I wouldn't put Teflon on it or ceramic on here.
The ceramic's gonna protect.
Yeah.
Wow.
So yeah, this is just, I'm just making it. I'm doing what I can to do with it. Where it'll last for a while. It probably might come back possibly within a few months maybe. But I did a 2-stage. I did a compound and a wax, but I polished it with the wax. So I didn't do any hand waxing or anything like that. But so it should last out. I mean, it came out pretty good. I mean, if you're looking at it now, it looks pretty good. It has no swirls, nothing like that.
So I put on there, like on the little card that we'll leave inside, for them to get their vehicle done again in about 8 months. Is that about good? That's right. That'll be.
So, so this side was kind of dull, so I got the sides don't always do what's on the top part. This looks pretty good. You'll see swirls now because that's just the wax. I haven't even wiped it yet. So, and then I gotta do all the trim and all that stuff. Anyway,
let me see the trim that you're gonna do.
The trim is dull. So I'm gonna restore the trim. That's my next thing I'm gonna do now. And that, that's pretty much it. I do it to every car. This stuff right here, I'm gonna restore that. That's gonna be black when I'm done.
Let's see that
all
again.
That.
Oh wow,
So I'll show you.
Wow. Let's see what he's doing over here. Deep Dough's busy at work.
So yeah, I'll just I'll show you, a little bit what I mean restoring the trim. I'm gonna bring that ladder over here.
Okay.
You can see it.
So you don't need a big ladder, huh? Small little fold-up ladder.
No, not really. See, that's what I talk about consolidating stuff. You think you need big stuff, and you don't really need big stuff. This little ladder right here, this is a step for me. If I need to get up here, I'll get on this. You just gotta find the right ladder you trust. Okay, so this is what I do. So, I might get on the car and all that, but I'm wiping the car after I'm done. Yeah, but so I get this kind of saturated with the stuff. This is just tire dressing. I use this tire. I use this on the tires, the trim, and even on the inside. I'll use it on the inside. It's really good.
Okay.
So I just spray it.
I'm gonna get closer up here when you're done spraying, so I don't get sprayed.
And what do I do with the brush real fast? In my back pocket. I just got this. I'm not used to using it, so everything goes in my back pocket, right? Still.
Let's see that brush again.
Right here.
Let me see it.
All right.
Okay. Nice.
So I kind of do this. Well, I do this, not kind of. First. And it has all that dust compound in it, so you gotta kind of just wipe it. You're literally going one by one.
Wow. Attention to detail, which is why we call it detailing. Wow.
All right.
This is what car wash is not going to do this.
Yeah, and this is what detailers should do. You know, if anybody has any better ideas and how to do these certain things, put it on comment below. And see, and I kind of go over stuff twice anyway.
You're so thorough. You're so thorough.
See, and I don't I don't don't know. I just don't just let things go. The first time is always, if you do things twice, it's always better. You know, it's like if you just do things once. It's just always better. I don't know. It's just like I told you, just do 100, do your 100. Don't do the customer's 100. Do your 100. And if your 100 is good, you'll see this customer again, and you'll always be working. If you get raggedy, lazy on your 100, possibly you won't see that customer again because you lost your consistency. You know, and that's, you know. I've done this before. I've done another car for them before. Gonna do that motorhome, you know, back there. So it's like a lot of work from this one person, or these two people. It's a couple, but so you know, you never know what's gonna come out of everything you do. I'm gonna hit that again because it's a little dusty. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna try to do it again. Oh, you see how that's coming out? Isn't that nice? This is just a trim, and I go all around the whole car. I go around the whole car. So I look at things like I look at a car like everything has a surface. And that's the surface. Here's a surface here. This is a surface. This is a surface. Everything's a surface. If you look at everything separately, if you try to look at everything at a whole, you're gonna miss things. You know. I gotta fill my bottle up in a minute. And yes, you have to touch. That's the part of the tire too. Like so, like if she gets in her car and so the sun's out, sometimes you have to spray again and just let it set.
It is. It's right in our face.
Sorry, I'm not doing it on purpose here. This is the surface underneath the wheel well. I washed that. When I washed the car, I washed under there too as well. You didn't see that, but I wash this. I stick my hand under here and I wash it. It looks so cool when you're done with it. When everything's done. And then I just spray it one more time and leave it. You know?
And then you'll just let that dry on its own.
Yeah, I just let it dry. And then I'll hit it again, maybe if I need to. I'll go around it and see what dry it up, because sometimes it needs to be hit again, you know. So this is back here. Let me get back there. Not only what you see is what you don't see too, you know. I'm a little tired today, so excuse me.
Maybe it's that big meal we had yesterday.
Yeah.
New Year's.
So, yeah.
Wow.
And then the sun's out real good today.
Yes.
San Diego, man, every day is different.
It's like 77 degrees, 78 degrees right now.
Yeah.
Beautiful day.
It is a nice day.
Gorge.
You see how that's coming out? You know, you just...
Let me come closer before
You
you
want
start.
that to look almost new, you know, when you're done. You see the difference between the two?
Let's show this.
See? So you want to rejuvenate, you know? It's just dry. And then this, you see? And it's okay if it gets on the car though, because you're gonna wipe the car again. There's something in there. Look, see that?
Let's see.
So every door has the same thing, you know. Like, so if you know it has one here, you gotta, you know, you gotta do it on the next door the same way. So I kind of just see how nice that's coming out. Yeah, you leave a little bit on the paint, but yeah, you're gonna wipe it off. You're gonna come back and wipe it off at some point. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
This is detailing. Okay. This is also dressable. Step on it. I'm gonna just spray this and let it sit for a minute. I'm gonna go over here. Let that sit, because that looks pretty dry. Yeah.
Okay, this is going to be a wrap here. This is nice. I like the way this is coming out.
Yeah.
I think some of our detailers might have, maybe they got some tips or...
Yeah, if you got any tips, let me know. If you got a good product you want to, turn me on to, that's fine.
Yeah.
I use what works for me.
Mm-hmm.
And my customers seem to like what I do. So, if you have any questions on what I'm using, which I haven't talked about supplies or anything to you, just ask me, and I will. I use some real good stuff. I use name brand stuff, but it's multi-purpose. I use, sometimes I use the wax for a polish, and that cuts the stage. That cuts away a stage. That's a cut.
And we can go over that one in the morning. We can just go over just supplies. But right now,
we can talk about that later. But
right now, this
a lot of different things that
Tundra's turning out really good.
But that's what I want to find out about you guys too, because I know you guys do stuff that sometimes you don't even want the customer to see you do it because it looks weird.
But it works.
But it works. And you're not hurting it. You're not hurting the car. See?
Okay. I'm going to give Deep Dough a band signal.
All right. I'm talking too much, right?
No, we're going to go ahead and wrap this one up.
Okay.
I'm going to wrap this one up and, wow, it's just coming out good. Okay. And this glare, I hope this is coming good because the glare is right on me, so hopefully it's coming good.
Because I gotta fill my bottle back up.
Okay. Nice. Okay, everybody. Well,
she just put new tires on this, so they're easy,
Yeah, I was just saying they're nice tires.
Yeah.
Nice tires. Okay. Making this Tundra look like as new as you can. Okay, Mr. Deep Dough. Well, I think that's about a wrap. So thank you so much for sharing and taking a few minutes to narrate as you work here.
Huffing and puffing.
Huffing and puffing. Okay. Okay, so everybody, we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.